sublimation on a 100% cotton shirt. No hack, nothing else, just direct sublimation on a 100% cotton shirt, because the shirt is 100% cotton, sublimatable cotton. What? I don't know, y'all. We about to see, because I never heard of no stuff like that before until I did. And here is the shirt. Before we get into that, let me show you the whole presentation. I was in Long Beach, California for the Impressions Expo, and I met up with a friend. Shout out to Amir. Amir is a business friend that I met a few years ago, and he has this wonderful company. I'll share the company name, all the details, as well as how we together made this shirt. But you gotta wait to the end, because I want to explain everything. And then we have another shirt. Will I be doing another shirt? You guys gotta watch and see. So watch all the way to the end, because we gotta talk after y'all see this presentation. So hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. I talk enough. I need y'all to see this. Let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, dreamers, this is Amir. He is absolutely amazing. I met him on a previous business trip, so when I saw him at the Impressions Expo, it absolutely made my day. We talked for hours and hours previously, literally multiple days, multiple hours. Anywho, he is showing this ready to sublimate t-shirts. Yes, you heard me. Ready to sublimate t-shirts. But you guys, the catch is they're 100% cotton, okay? When I say it's absolutely amazing, I am learning more about this process, but I had to show you what I learned so far. Me and Amir are trying to work on some things, so hopefully I'll have more information for you guys. But ready to sublimate cotton t-shirts? Right now the sizes are in small, medium, large, and extra large. And the shirts are actually called Fuse t-shirts. He has a whole company called Go Fuse, and that's what they're working on. They're trying to perfect this sublimation thing. As I previously stated, we've talked for hours. He shared with the process and tons of things. It's very interesting. So hopefully we can figure some things out so I can bring you more information about it. I will be doing another presentation on my own shirt on the channel, so stay tuned. But you guys, this is what we call a game changer. But right now, all we need to know is 100% cotton dye sublimatable t-shirts. Okay? Yeah, absolutely amazing. It's more information there where it's talking about how many you can order, etc., etc. But let's get into the presentation and see how this thing works. Okay, so here is the heat press. They have everything all set up, explaining everything, what the price is. Once again, this is a trade show, so they are very in-depth and have everything all set up. They're getting the shirt prepared and prepped, and we are going to pre-press it in a second, but we're talking. I'm trying to figure out what we're waiting on. She's going to grab the actual image for us. So we are going to pre-press the shirt, you know, as we normally do, get all the moisture, etc. out so we can do the shirt correctly. And I'm so excited, y'all. I'm over there like, what, Amir? I cannot believe it. A sublimatable shirt that's cotton. I was blown away. So let the people know we're going to do something. I talk to them and let them know what we're doing. Okay, so today we are going to be pressing a ready to sublimate shirt, okay? Introduce yourself.
I'm Amir. Hi. All right.
He is so funny. And at this point, I literally consider him a friend. So he was like, hey, y'all, that's it. But it's okay, y'all. He's more behind the scenes, all right? But we love him. Can I press it down? And now we wait.
Now we wait.
Now we wait.
1 minute.
1 minute.
So this is a pre-press?
No.
What, oh, is this print on there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I missed that part.
Already, yeah.
Oh, okay. I missed it.
And this is sublimation. This is a 100% cotton
So
shirt.
this is the print we put on.
Oh,
And this
okay.
is the print that we use. You see how beautiful and vibrant it is? So the voice that you heard that didn't catch the pre-press is our girl Courtney from the Crafty Brick. So shout out to her behind the cameras. I made sure I introduced them because Amir is the man to know, you guys. We love us some Amir. So let's see how this thing turned out. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Let's see.
All right, go for it.
Go for
Pull
it.
it out.
Ah, I'm so nervous.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Okay, you guys, seriously, those colors look amazing. They are popping 10. I really couldn't believe this, but let's look at it.
100% cotton shirt.
100%
It just
cotton.
diced up 100% cotton shirt.
100% cotton shirt in 60 seconds, guys.
Nice. And feel, is it really soft?
It is, oh, it's inside of the shirt.
Oh my gosh.
It feels absolutely amazing.
Perfect.
I don't know about you, but I'm really interested in learning more about this process. How long does it last? What is the wash test? All of those things. So stay tuned because I have a shirt that I'm actually going to be checking out myself. And then I have this shirt, this exact same shirt we made. So I will be washing it. We will be testing it out again. And I'll have more information as I speak with Amir. So stay tuned with that, y'all. Dreamers, are we convinced? I need more information. I'm hitting Amir up right now because we got to figure this out. I will be doing a wash test. First off, look at these colors. Seriously, look how great this is. 100% cotton shirt. But will it hold up in the wash? So I will do a wash test, y'all, because we got to see. It looks good though, baby. Woo-wee. It looks amazing, but will this last? And how long will it last? These are questions we have to know. So hopefully I'll be working with him. We can figure some things out. But in the meantime, in between time, I have a shirt here. Another 100% cotton sublimatable shirt. Do y'all want me to do a video at home in the studio and we see how it turns out? Let me know if y'all want me to do that. But anywho, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, DoDreamer is the handle. TikTok, DoDreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Shout out to Go Fuse, the Fuse shirt. Shout out to Amir. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.